Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Stanley R312717 Encoder. This video is primarily to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item, more so visual than anything else. Plug-in connector. The encoder is obviously going to allow reporting back of door data to the controller. About 3 1/8 by 3 1/8. Sorry, closer look at the connector. Black and red, green and white. See evidence of the circuit board up and top. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Stanley products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Stanley R312717 Encoder or any other Stanley product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.